When adding a fireplace to your home, it's important to know your options. Let's explore some of the key differences so you can find your home's perfect fuel type fit. Traditional wood fireplaces, stoves, and inserts have become extremely efficient over the years, most near 80% efficient. Using a wood-burning appliance can heat your home and save you money on heating bills up to 30%. Wood heating appliances do require a properly installed chimney system and require a little more effort to operate as well. They require weekly cleaning of the appliance and yearly maintenance. You will need a place to store the firewood and keep it covered. This additional effort can save you hundreds of dollars a month on heating costs if you have a free firewood source. Gas fireplaces, gas stoves, and gas inserts operate with either natural gas or propane as their fuel source. Direct vent appliances require venting to the outdoors for both combustion air and to exhaust the fumes. Ventless models are calibrated to burn 99.9% efficient while producing a realistic flame. Both systems make great zone heaters. All can be operated with the flip of a switch. Some can be operated by the push of a button on a remote control or even with your smartphone. An optional thermostat remote allows you to control the temperature of the room from wherever you take the remote, like your recliner. If you have natural gas, the cost of operating an efficient gas heater is almost identical to purchasing wood according to national averages. Electric fireplaces boast being easy to install and the most cost-efficient option of all. They produce an even, controllable warmth by heating coils with no actual flame, so it's safe to have around children and pets. It is an energy-efficient option that's easy to maintain. Electric fireplaces turn on and off with a switch and can also be thermostatically controlled. Electric fireplaces can be installed almost anywhere in the home and warm up your room so it's nice and toasty. We always recommend that you hire a qualified technician and consult with your local building code authority prior to beginning any work. Improper installation can cause safety issues and issues with your homeowner's insurance. The right choice for you ultimately comes down to your home's specifications and your comfort level, or lack thereof. Browse all of our different hearth products and venting options to find the right fit to make your home more comfortable. We have nationally certified staff ready to help you find the right heating solution. If you have any additional questions or need further assistance, please feel free to give us a call, send us an email, or chat with us online.